Hello everyone, this video is about the application of recursion in C language program. Recursion is a technique wherein a function calls itself and continues to do so until a certain condition is met. Our group is tasked to write a C program that calculates the summation of the inputted number. The expected output to be displayed on the console is like this. Here's our program code for the problem. First, we have the preprocessor command #include stdio.h. Then, a function prototype where the user-defined function is named input_sum function, having an integer return type. Next is the main method. Integer variables I and _number are declared, followed by printf and scanf functions in order to ask integer number from the user. _number holds the value of the inputted number. Next, we have an if-else statement inside a for loop. Inside the parenthesis of for is I variable initialized as 1. Then, a test expression of I less than or equal to _number and an update statement of I increment. To understand more the process, let's assume _number having a value of 5. So in for loop, if I is equal to 1, is it lesser than or equal to 5? Since it is true, then this statement will be executed. I, which is equal to 1, will be printed. Next to be checked is the if-else statement. If's condition is if I is lesser than _number. Since this is true, if statement will be executed and a plus sign will be printed. Going back to for loop, I will be incremented. Since 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, I now will have the value of 2. 2 is still lesser than 5, so 2 will be printed also. Same in if's condition, so another plus sign will be printed. The process continues until I becomes 3, 4, and 5. 5 will be printed since it still meets the test expression, which is lesser than or equal to 5. However, it now doesn't apply to if condition, so else statement will be automatically executed. This will be printed and the %d here will display the value of the user-defined function. This part is called function call. The main function called input_sum function with 5 being passed as an argument. With this, computer will read and process what's inside the user-defined function. This is the function definition. Inside, there is an if-else statement. So, since our assumed input is 5, this will be 5. If's condition states if _number is equal to 1, then return 1. Since 5 is not equal to 1, else statement will be executed where recursion happens. 5 plus input_sum, 5 minus 1, which is 4, will be returned in here since there's a recursive call. Now, the value 5 in here will be changed into 4 since it is the new passed value. The process continues, still 4 is not equal to 1. Once again, value is passed which now becomes 3. Same thing goes until the passed value is equal to 1. If condition is now satisfied, so each statement will be executed, and the summation of all integers will be returned to the main function. Adding all the numbers, expected result should be 15. Since the loop ends, so the main function. If we run this code program, this is the output. The expected output is met. User inputted 5 and the addition series of number from 1 to 5 is displayed as well together with the result 15. Another output is this. If the input is 8, then the result is 36. This means that the program code works.